Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Amara, and today, oh my god, today I have something super special for you all. Whether you're a die-hard BTS ARMY or just love travel stories with a twist, trust me, you're going to love this. Now, before we dive into the story, let me tell you, today we're going to use something called the shadowing technique. This is not just a story, this is an immersive experience. So, what is shadowing? It's a language learning technique, but we're putting a twist on it today. In traditional shadowing, you repeat what you hear, almost at the same time. It helps with pronunciation, accent, and fluency. But here, we're going to use it as a storytelling technique. So, as I narrate, you'll get natural pauses. You can repeat sentences with me, feel the rhythm, and even mimic the expressions. It'll feel like you're living the story with me. So grab a cup of coffee, tea, or maybe a BTS-themed soda, and get ready to live this journey with me, sentence by sentence. Let's begin. It all started on a quiet Sunday morning in the US. I was scrolling through my phone, half awake, when I saw the notification, BTS fan event, Seoul, South Korea, limited entry. My heart skipped a beat. I had dreamed of visiting Korea for years, and BTS, they were the soundtrack to my life. Fun fact, did you know BTS was the first Korean group to speak at the United Nations? Yep, they're not just artists, they're global ambassadors of self-love and mental health. I checked my bank account, not a lot there to be honest, but something inside me said, go for it. I applied for the ticket, booked a cheap flight, and started planning the trip of a lifetime. The flight to Korea was 14 hours long. I barely slept. I kept imagining what the streets of Seoul would be like, the food, the culture, and of course, the event. When I landed, the air felt different. The city was alive, neon signs, K-pop music echoing through the streets, the smell of street food. It was like stepping into a drama. Interesting fact, Seoul is home to more than 20 K-pop-themed cafes where fans gather to stream songs and celebrate idols' birthdays. I stayed in a tiny hostel near Hongdae, super artsy, full of young people and energy. I even met a girl from Brazil who was also there for the BTS event. We instantly became friends. The day of the event finally arrived, and it honestly felt like my birthday, Christmas, and 1,000 dreams coming true, all at once. I got ready like I was going to meet royalty. BTS is royalty for me, after all. I carefully put on my purple hoodie, styled my hair just right, and wore the army bomb like it was a crown jewel. As I approached the venue, the energy hit me like a wave. It was electric. Fans were singing, dancing, holding banners and wearing the most incredible BTS-inspired outfits. Everyone had that sparkle in their eyes, like we all knew we were about to witness something unforgettable. There were huge photo zones. One looked like the Spring Day train, another like the Dynamite disco floor. I stood in line for almost 40 minutes just to take a photo at the Butter photo booth. And honestly, worth it. There was also a memory wall. You could write your messages to BTS and stick them on. I wrote, "Thank you for helping me love myself." And when I looked around, I saw thousands of sticky notes saying things like, "You saved me. You are my strength. And because of you, I didn't give up." I cried, right there. There was a little merch area too, and oh my god, it was heaven. Official posters, photo cards, hoodies, even custom-designed BT21 plushies I'd never seen before. I got a Chimmy plushie, because duh, Jimin, and a phone case that had the quote, "Love myself, love yourself." Fun fact, the BT21 characters were co-created by BTS themselves with line friends. Each member designed their own character. Jimin's is Chimmy, a passionate puppy who wears a yellow hoodie. Then came the fan dance showcase. People from all over the world were performing iconic BTS choreographies. I joined in when Dope came on, because hey, I might not be a pro, but I know the chorus steps. I laughed so much, I made new friends. We danced, we bonded. I even traded photo cards with a girl from Malaysia. That sense of connection, it's hard to put into words. And when the big screen lit up with the BTS video message, I swear the whole world went silent. They spoke directly to us. Namjoon with his wise words, J-Hope's cheerful smile, Jungkook's soft voice. And then, suddenly, the stage started to glow, and Jin walked out in person. The crowd screamed, cried, froze. He looked right at us and said, "You are our wings. Thank you, ARMY." My heart couldn't take it. I was crying, laughing, shaking, all at once. After the event, I didn't want to go back to my hostel. I just wanted to breathe in the moment. I ended up at a little food stall nearby with other armies. We sat on plastic stools under the soft glow of lanterns, sharing spicy tteokbokki and sweet hot chalk pancakes, and just talking. I felt like I had known these strangers for years. We spoke different languages, came from different cultures, but our hearts beat to the same rhythm, BTS. One girl shared how Magic Shop helped her through depression. Another said Epiphany helped her love her body. Everyone had a story. We laughed, we cried. We sang Microcosmos together under the Seoul sky, our voices shaky but full of love. Interesting fact. Microcosmos is often used to close BTS concerts. The word means small universe in Greek, representing how each person is their own beautiful world. When it was finally time to leave Korea, I stood at Incheon Airport looking back at the city lights. I had come here for an event, but I was leaving with so much more: confidence, new friendships, and a heart so full of love. I journaled everything on the flight home, every moment, every song that played in my head, every face I met. And when I landed back in the US, I wasn't the same Amara who left. I was braver, softer, more open to joy. So if you've ever dreamed of doing something crazy, like flying to another country for a concert, do it. Take the leap. Because sometimes it's not just about the destination or even the artist, it's about what awakens inside you. So, my beautiful listeners, what did you think? Did you enjoy shadowing with me today? If you repeated those lines, you not only lived the story, you improved your language skills too. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever dreamed of going to Korea? Are you part of ARMY? What does BTS mean to you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with a fellow K-pop fan. Until next time, stay inspired, stay passionate, and remember, every heart has a story.